PowerLix milked frother handheld battery-operated electric foam maker for coffee, latte, cappuccino, hot chocolate, durable drink mixer with stainless steel whisk, stainless steel stand include, black. Get creamy froth quickly. PowerLix brings you its portable handheld milk frother for frothed milk. If you love your morning coffee with lots of froth and foam, then you certainly want to have PowerLix frothing wand at home or your coffee-style cappuccino. It comes with a stand for easy storage and can be kept on the countertop. Battery-operated for perfect froth in no time. The mixer is battery-powered, so you don't have to worry about cords and finding sockets. Heat up the milk, immerse the espresso maker into the cup, and turn it on. The milk foamer will start creating creamy froth on the milk instantly. Within 15-20 seconds, you have a cup filled with creamy froth and ready to go into your coffee latte. Quality you can trust. Our milk whisk frap maker is made of the best quality stainless steel. It has a powerful motor that gives you 19,000 RPM and the dual spring durable long 18/10 food safe material stainless steel spiral whisk that won't rust or break over the time, delivers double the power of other frothers and professional espresso makers available. The power button on top makes it easy to use. The low noise motor barely makes a sound. Beautifully styled with versatility, the machine is beautifully styled in black color to fit into any modern kitchen. It is lightweight and has ergonomically designed soft touch handle. It is easy to use and easy to clean. It can be used to froth other liquids besides hot milk. Use it to make milkshakes for your kids or cocktails for your friends. It will work well with both hot and cold liquids. 100% lifetime warranty. The milk frother is so handy and useful that you can gift it to your friends and family too. Let them enjoy the convenience of making. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.